Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today, unfortunately, you have not completed your 4/7 assignment, which is why you're seeing this. So instead of doing the fun activity with your classmates, you have to use this time to complete your missing assignments. And if it's still not done by the end of today, we're going to have to contact parents because some of our friends who are missing this assignment are also missing other assignments. And so again, I gave you yesterday's time and time on other days to complete this assignment, and it's still not done. So you need to take this time to do the 4/7 assignment and any other assignment that you're still missing and any of the corrections that are below a 70.